Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaleesa for those who don't know me, and in today's video I'm going to be giving myself a protein treatment which consists of mayonnaise, eggs, and avocado. I'm not gonna lie, since I dyed my hair for my 1 year, my hair has been very dry. On top of that, I've been sick and I haven't been keeping up with my hair. I haven't been spraying it. I haven't been doing anything, oiling my scalp. Like when I say I haven't been doing anything, I haven't been doing anything. So my hair is feeling very, very dry. And I'm like, I have to do something to it. So I actually just, remember this protein treatment my mom used to give me when I had relaxers. And that one just consisted of mayonnaise and eggs. The one I'm going to do today is going to consist of mayonnaise, eggs, and avocado. So let's jump into it.
So the benefits of mayonnaise. Mayonnaise adds shine and strengthens hair from root to tip. The main ingredients in mayonnaise are eggs, which is high in protein, which helps strengthen and thicken the hair follicles. Eggs are a nutrient-rich hair superfood, which contains vitamins A, E, and biotin. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which help replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. Avocados are good for dry hair and damaged hair because it is full of amino acids, protein, and vitamins A, D, E, and B6.
Ooh, this is cute. Of course, if I fix it up a little bit, this could be a cute little updo. Okay, this is something. It's probably nothing. It's probably ugly, but it look cute right now. So my hair is covered from root to end because you definitely want to make sure you get your the locks, especially, like not just the scalp or anything like that. You want to make sure you get the ends of your hair. People tend to pay less attention to the ends of their hair. As you guys can see, my ends are like going through this weird thing where it's still curly. It's weird. But anyways, so I just put everything in my hair. I'm probably gonna let it sit for like an hour. Usually I'll put a shower cap on. I don't have any shower caps, so I'm gonna go put a trash bag on my head, but I'm not gonna do that on camera. So I'm gonna go sit with it on my head for about an hour. I'm sitting with a trash bag on my head because so that the heat, could absorb with the scalp and all of that good stuff, and I don't know, just make magic, okay? So you guys are wondering why I'm gonna go put a trash bag on my head. That's why. When I wash it out, I'll be back. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna jump in the shower because I need to wash my body. I got mayonnaise and stuff dripping on me. I gotta drop it. Also, the smell you can smell the mayonnaise, but you smell more avocado than you do mayonnaise, the egg, or anything like that. So, adding the avocado in it's probably not so bad after all. That is it. I'm gonna leave it on for the hour, like I said, and then I'll wash it out, and then I'll be back. So I've had it on for about an hour, and I'm about to get in the shower and wash it off, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Hey guys, so I just finished washing out all the product from my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like. So I got everything out of it, and for the most part, I would definitely say that I see a difference in my hair. Oh, this is paint from the other day. I was painting the house and I got some paint stuck in my hair, but I would definitely say that I feel a difference in my hair. It doesn't feel dry. It looks better. And I'll probably be doing this again, but I know that I do have to start taking care of my locks as far as oiling it, continue with my rose water. I actually had a video on how I maintain my locks, but I have been feeling really lazy and I've been neglecting my hair. So I need to get back on board, especially because I have a color in my hair now. So yeah, I don't want my locks to go downhill because of my laziness. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you all next time.